We all know that Galaxy S24 is full of AI-enhanced features. They're all over the place. We've got circle to function, AI-generated wallpapers, you name it. But what if you don't want the AI-enhanced features working all the time? Well, it's easy. Go to Settings. Now we're going to go down to Advanced Features here, and then tap on Advanced Intelligence. If you don't want your phone app to use AI to help with language or real-time translations, or you're worried about your data being captured, all you need to do is just select off, and you no longer have to worry about your phone calls, your voice being captured or used. The same goes for the keyboard, interpreter, the Samsung Notes app, voice recorder, the internet browser, or at least Samsung's one, as well as the photo editor. You can also choose to process your data only on the device, so none of your data goes to a cloud-based server, thus protecting your data, your personal privacy, and security even more.